So dear students, today we are here on the topic of laws of exponents, and yesterday's class we have covered with 4 laws of exponents, which I will be discussing related to the questions at the end. Today I am going to begin with another very important law which we have not discussed yesterday. Was if you have any number, let's say any number, it can be a negative number, it can be a positive number, it can be a fraction, it can be a rational number, any kind of number if you take, if it has the power 0, it means your answer will be 1. Okay. Now, for example, if I talk about, if you remember yesterday I have discussed one thing कि अगर कोई number लिखा हुआ है बेटा, and if you don't have any power of that number, that doesn't mean that you have power 0. That means you have power 1. Okay. If any number is written without any power, that means that number is 1 now. Okay. That it means that number has the power 1. For example, if you are writing only 7, that means you are talking about 7 to the power 1. If you have only 1 by 2, that means 1 by 2 to the power 1. You can write it down, or simply you can write it down this also. But अगर question आता है that you have to write it down in the form of exponential, that means you can simply write it down like this, or you can write it down like this. Okay, this is one way. But some of these students, what they do, they think that if there is no power, that means the power is 0. So please keep in your mind that if you have any number which is having the power 0, that represent totally 1. Totally 1 means not the power 1. That means you don't have, for example, I'm giving you the numbers in examples. Suppose you have a 7 to the power 0, which will give you absolutely 1. You cannot write 7 to the power 1. You will simply write 1 in total. Suppose you have a number 1000 and you have the power 0. It means कोई भी नंबर की पावर अगर 0 है, इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर आपके पास कोई भी नंबर आपने लिया है वो लिखा ही नहीं गया है. बिकॉज अगर यहाँ पे कोई पावर नहीं होती, दैट मीन्स पावर 1 होती, और अगर पावर 1 होती मतलब वो 1000 जो है एक बार लिखा गया है. ठीक है, बिकॉज यू आर नोइंग हाउ मेनी टाइम्स वी राइट डाउन and in the power, like for example, if you write 1000 की power 2, that means you are writing 1000 into 1000. Fine. If I am writing 1000 की power 1, that means I am writing only 1000. Agree? But if I write 1000 to the power 0, it means I have not written anything. And when I have not written anything, that means you are representing your only 1. ठीक है? You are representing only 1, not 0. Is it okay? Have you got this one? Tell me now. Okay. So this is one law, that any number, whether it is a very large number, whether it is a very small number, whether it is a fraction or it is a negative number or a positive number, if it is in the power of 0, that means it represents the whole number as 1. Okay. Now for related to this, I am going to give you a question, then we will move to the next law. Please try to solve this question and tell me the answer of it. Try this out. Extremely important question. I gave you a question. If you are knowing here only the previous law which I have told you, that is only introduced. You are knowing if you have any number written with the power 0 that represent only 1. So ये हो गया 1. ठीक है. Plus तो will be plus 3 to the power 0. Again the law 1 only. Plus 5 to the power 0. Again the law applies, which will give you 1 only. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, which will give you here 3. ऊपर वाला part हमने solve किया. Now below 4 to the power 0 will give you here 1. Multiply by 3 to the power 0, which will also give you 1. Multiply by 5 to the power 0, which will also give you 1. Now in denominator you are knowing 1 is multiplied itself 3 times, and you are knowing 1 is a number which you multiply even 1000 times, you will get the same answer as 1. Okay, it means the number which we are getting is 3 by 1. and you are knowing 3 by 1 is nothing but only 3. So the answer for this particular question will be 3, not 1. Got it? So in this question which I gave you right now, 4 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 0 in the bracket divided by 100 to the power 0. In denominator, 6 to the power 0 plus 7 to the power 0 in bracket minus 10 to the power 0. This was the question. Now solve it one by one. As you all know, this is written in the bracket. So let us don't remove the bracket. 4 to the power 0 will give you 1 plus 3 to the power 0 will also give you 1. Divided by 100 to the power 0, which will also give you 1 only, upon 6 to the power 0, 7 to the power 0, which is again in the bracket to 1 plus 1, minus 10 to the power 0, which will also give you 1. ये हो गया हमारा first step. Now move on to the second. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 divided by 1. Denominator में 1 plus 1, 2, 2 minus 1. ठीक है, अब आपको पता है any of the number which is divided by 1 will give you the same number itself. For example, 2 को अगर हम 1 से divide करेंगे तो 2 ही आएगा, and 2 में से 1 subtract होगा तो 1 आएगा. It means 2 by 1 will be the answer, which will give you nothing but only 2. So the answer for this particular question will be 2, not 1. So now we are moving to the next law. Okay, as we have discussed 2 questions related to the previous law. Now let's move on to the further law. Now अभी तक हमने जो laws पढ़े आपने देखा होगा, base were equal, powers were different. ठीक है, उसी समय मुझे याद है अच्छे तरीके से किसी ने क्वेश्चन किया था मुझसे on the very first day, मैम this is applied when the base are same, powers are different. If powers will be same and the base will be different, then what will be there? ठीक है, I think this type of question was only there. So remember we have law for that purpose also. Remember we have done the laws which were related to base were same, powers were different. ठीक है, for example हमने जो भी किया है अभी तक 2 की power 2, 2 की power 7, 2 की power 11 divided by 2 की power 9, 2 की power 3 to the power 2, 2 की power 0, एंड एक और लॉ हमने सॉल्व किया है, आई एम टेकिंग 2 की पावर -3. इन सारी चीजों से रिलेटेड हम लॉ कर चुके हैं. व्हाट वी हैव डन इट, इसमें बेस आर सेम, पावर्स आर डिफरेंट, इन बिटवीन मल्टीप्लाई पावर विल बी एडेड. पढ़ा है हमने ये. सेकंड वाला बेस आर सेम, पावर्स आर डिफरेंट, इन बिटवीन देयर इज अ डिवीजन साइन, सो पावर विल बी सबट्रैक्टेड. 11 में से 9 जाएगा, बचेगा 2. फिर उस दिन कशिश ने क्वेश्चन पूछा था, मैम What about 9 minus 11? 9 इधर आ जाए, 11 इधर आ जाए, तब पावर बन जाएगी नेगेटिव. और जब पावर बन जाएगी नेगेटिव तो आंसर आएगा 2 की जगह पर -2. और -2 पावर वी डोंट राइट, वी राइट डाउन द पावर इनटू इन पॉजिटिव फॉर्म. पॉजिटिव फॉर्म में पावर कन्वर्ट करने के लिए एक अलग से लॉ था जो मैंने कल इंट्रोड्यूस किया था, दैट आई विल टेल यू नाउ. सो नाउ 2 to the power 3 to the power 2, power of power. Power will get multiplied, so 3 will get multiplied with 2, which will give you answer as 6. ये भी हमने कल लॉ पढ़ा था. Now today we have covered it 2 to the power 0, which will also give you 1. Now any number written with power negative, you have to just do the reciprocal of base. Your power will become positive. It means 2 का reciprocal will become 1 by 2, and now the power will become only +3. So whenever you have a negative power, just do the reciprocal of the base. The power will become positive. Now these things I have discussed in detail yesterday. Okay, so if you want to know any of the law out of these 5 things which I have written right now, you can see the previous video which was uploaded by me. Now let's discuss the next law. So as I have already told, we have done the questions which were related to the same base. Now I am going to discuss the questions which are related to the different base but the same power. For example, x to the power m multiply by y to the power m. Now अभी तक आपके जितने लॉस थे बेटा वहां पर यहाँ भी x था और यहाँ पर भी x था. यहाँ m था, यहाँ n था, बट अब इस क्वेश्चन में देखो आप जरा, आपको क्या समझ में आ रहा है? बेस आर डिफरेंट x and y, but the powers are same, m and m. ठीक है? So in that case, what we do, whatever we have the sign, we keep that sign as common sign. ठीक है? Then whatever is the base, we keep that base along with the sign. ठीक है? x into y. And power whatever is written, that will be the common power. Sorry, m. Okay, it means it will become x and y will be written together with the sign of multiply. ठीक है? And above the power will be m. One more thing I want to clear, beta, these laws are only made for the sign of multiplication and division. There is no law which was related to addition and subtraction, so don't get confused. अगर मैं आपको ये क्वेश्चन दे दूं तो ये बिल्कुल कंफ्यूज मत हो जाइएगा कि मैम ने ऐसा पढ़ाया है. बेस आर सेम, पावर आर डिफरेंट, और ऐड करके आपने लिख दिया 2 की पावर 8. देयर इज नो सच काइंड ऑफ लॉ. लेट मी टेल यू व्हाई. क्यों नहीं है ऐसा लॉ? ये भी आपके मन में क्वेश्चन आएगा कि मैम ऐसा क्यों लॉ नहीं है. ऐसा इसलिए लॉ नहीं है क्योंकि मैंने आपको सबसे पहला स्टेप सिखाया था कि जब भी हमें किसी नंबर को उसकी पावर फॉर्म में नोटेट करना होता है, देन व्हाट वी डू, वी यूज द मेथड ऑफ प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. एंड प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन इज अ मेथड which break the number into its product, and product means multiplication. We write it down, no, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 4 into 4. We only use multiplication, and multiplication का opposite होता है division. इसलिए जितने भी law हम पढ़ रहे हैं इसमें वो सारे multiply से related है या division से related है. There is no such law related to addition and subtraction. Please make it clear on your mind. Okay, now let's discuss some of the questions related to it. 5 to the power 7 multiply by 8 to the power 7. Can you all tell me what answer can I write here? Think. हाँ. Correct. Correct. Absolutely right. It will be 5 and 8 will come together. ठीक है? With the sign of multiply only, they will be written together and the power will become common. It means 5 8 जा होता है 40 और 40 की power 7. ये हो जाएगा हमारा answer. This was a random question I gave you. This type of question is not there, but the laws are there. ठीक है? Now giving you one more question related to it. Suppose you have a number like 1 by 2 to the power 7, another number is 1 by 5 to the power 11, sorry 7. Can you all tell me how will we do that? What should be the correct answer? I want the answer. Don't tell me the process. Answer give me to me. 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 into 1 by 5 will get, what will give you? 2 by 10. Okay. Thank you very much for your great mathematics. अगर सामने होते तो तुम दोनों लोगों को एक झापड़ मारा होता मैंने, सारांश को भी और कशिश को भी. Yes, 1 into 1 will be 1. 1 into 1 2 कब से होने लगा? So that only telling, no? Look at here. See, 1 by 2. Yes, you can simply write it down that also. 1 by 2 and 1 by 5 will be written together with the form of multiply, and we will have the common power as 7. ठीक है? That step is absolutely right. But remember, in multiplication, you will multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So 1 will get multiplied, will give you only 1. ठीक है? And 2 will get multiplied with 5 will give you only 10. So 1 by 10 and then to the power 7. So the answer will be 1 by 10 to the power 7. Now some of the students were telling 0.1 will be the answer. Yes, your answer can be 0.1 also beta, but please keep in your mind, अगर हमारा क्वेश्चन कभी भी फ्रैक्शन में आए तो उसको फ्रैक्शन में ही रहने दो. अगर कोई क्वेश्चन डेसिमल में आए तो उसके आंसर को डेसिमल में ही लिखो, और अगर कोई क्वेश्चन नॉर्मल नंबर के फॉर्म में आता है लाइक अ नॉर्मल होल नंबर, सो प्लीज राइट इट डाउन इन दैट क्वेश्चन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ दैट नंबर ओनली. ठीक है, डू नॉट change the question, otherwise you will also face difficulty in the answer. The answer let it be 1 by 10 only, 1 by 10 to the power 7. ठीक है. Now I am going to give you another law, which is the last law. The same thing. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. So now moving to the next law, which is again this same only, because you are knowing हमने जब शुरुआत में लॉ किया था तो हमने किया था एक डिवीजन के लिए, एक मल्टीप्लिकेशन के लिए. So we have done it multiplication. Now the same thing goes for division also. So ये same different base with same power, in place of multiplication we have division this time. Okay, so can you all guess here right now, sorry, can you all help me in this question? What should be the sign between x and y in the last term? Division. Right. It will be division. Yes. If you must be remembering, I told you for this law, you are not dealing with power. You are only dealing with base, because दोनों की power तो common है बेटा. So you are not dealing with now power. Power must be added, power must be subtracted. ये हमने first law में पढ़ा था. That is why I am telling you, don't get mixed with these laws. ठीक है? Each and every law is different in their own way. So keep in your mind, this is division sign. हमने पढ़ा है कि जब हमारे पास base different हो, same power हो, so हम उनको उनके base के sign के साथ we write it down like that only, and we write it down the common power. So here it is x divided by y, so we'll write it down x divided by y to the power m. Okay, so it means if I give you a question 5 to the power 7 divided by 2 to the power 7, can you please tell me what should be the answer at the end? Okay, okay, okay. 5 by 2 to the power 7, absolutely right. But abhi just now Saransh, I think he said, ma'am, 2.5. Abhi just now I gave this answer to any of the student only. What was the answer? Can anyone tell me what I said for this? 2.5 should be there or not? Correct. I said this. If your question is asked in the form of beta numbers, just try to give the answer in the that normal numbers only. Okay, do not convert in decimal, otherwise your question will become more complicated. How? I'm telling you. You tell me, अगर मैंने आपको बोला 5/2 की power 7 solve करना है, और मैंने एक जगह पर आपको दिया 2.5 की power 7 solve करना है, आप मुझे बताओ कौन सा आपको ज्यादा easy पड़ेगा solve करने में, खुद से बताओ. I'm not talking about any practical example. You will feel easy? Yes, you will feel easy this one. Why you will feel easy? Because it will be 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, which is a normal number. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, which is again a normal number. Numerator will all get multiplied, denominator will all get multiplied. So this will give you easier answer. But in this 2.5 multiplied by 2.5, वैसे भी आप डेसिमल का मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीजन करने से बहुत ज्यादा दूर भागते हो, है ना? तो अगर आप इसको ऐसे फॉर्म में कर दोगे तो आप खुद ही कंफ्यूज होने लग जाओगे. अब इसमें डेसिमल कहाँ पुट करें, 2 के बाद डेसिमल होगा क्या 3 के बाद डेसिमल होगा. So this will create confusion beta. Okay, so if the question is asked in this normal form, try to be in normal form only. Yes. Okay, now look at here. Suppose you have a question like 3 to the power 7. Suppose you have a question 3 to the power 7 divided by 3 to the power 2. How can you write down the answer? Just पहले इसको गौर से देखो. You have a same base. ठीक है, ये वाले क्वेश्चन आपको बहुत ज्यादा है बुक में बेटा, इसलिए मैंने आपको ये पहला स्टेप शुरू कर रही हूँ, और उसके बाद आपको देखना एक एक करके खुद क्लियर होता जाएगा. सेम बेस, different power, this is the sign of division. Agree? It means in simple ways, write it down the answer 7 minus 2. ये ऊपर है ये नीचे है तो 7 minus 2 answer will be 3 to the power 5. Agree or not? Please tell me yes or no. ठीक है? Okay. हाँ, right. 11 to the power 8, 11 to the power 2. Sorry, 3. Let us take it 3. What should be the answer now? 11 to the power 5. Correct? 11 to the power 8 minus 3. Here this is 8, this is 3. So 8 minus 3 which will give you here 5. Correct answer. Now, हाँ beta, please speak. Yes. Yes. But no need to write it down that when you are using the laws, you can simply write it down the correct answer. But in between the bracket, आप side में bracket में भी जब question करेंगे, then I will tell you that how to do this thing with the process. ये तो अभी हम law समझ रहे हैं, but laws को हम question में कैसे apply करेंगे, that I will tell you. Now tell me, I have changed the number. Now please tell me how should be the answer? What should be the answer now? Correct. Absolutely correct. Because this time you will have, yes, right answer. It will be 11 to the power 3 minus 8 this time. Above, then minus below 1. So it will 3 minus 8 and 3 minus 8 will give you minus 5. But some of the students write 8 minus 3 only. भले नीचे है वो number. But keep in your mind it should be minus 5, not only 5. So 11 की power आ गया minus 5. And 11 की power minus 5 is a negative power. So the answer should be 1 by 11 to the power 5. Okay. This will be the correct answer which will be for the answer now. Now I am going to give little advancement which I am telling you the second law. ठीक है, जो मैं बताने वाली थी ये तो हो गया एक जो आप बहुत ज्यादा आप क्वेश्चन में यूज करोगे और आपको इतनी सिंपल तरीके से ये क्वेश्चन से सॉल्व हो जाएगा. Now move on to the next thing. Suppose I am giving you a question like 3 to the power 5, 2 to the power 11 into 7 to the power 11 divided by 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2 into 7 to the power 8. Now look at here this question. ठीक है? Now in this question सबसे पहले हमेशा याद रखो बेटा जब भी हमको इस टाइप का थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड क्वेश्चन नजर आए तो हमें सबसे पहले क्या करना चाहिए, हमें उनके पेयर्स बनाने चाहिए. पेयर्स का मतलब यहाँ पर ये है कि जो नंबर आपके पास जब भी कोई क्वेश्चन आएगा याद रखो सेम बेस आपको मिलेगा हर जगह पर. अगर नहीं मिलेगा तो हम उसकी बाद की प्रोसेस भी मैं बताऊंगी कैसे करते हैं. बट लुक एट हियर दिस क्वेश्चन 3, 2 and 7. We have three bases 3, 2 and 7. Below we have 2, 3 and 7. And you are knowing the multiplication are commutative. अगर आप 3 को 2 की जगह लिख दो 2 को 3 की जगह लिख दो तो उससे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ेगा क्वेश्चन में. So we will have the pairing of the number. Pairing of the number means 3 की पावर 5, 2 की पावर 11, 7 की पावर 11. अब हम लिखेंगे 3 की पावर 2 के 3 की पावर 5 के नीचे हमने 3 की पावर 2 वाला नंबर लिख दिया. 2 के नीचे हमने 2 की पावर वाला नंबर लिख दिया एंड 7 के नीचे हमने 7 का पावर वाला नंबर लिख दिया. इज इट ओके? दिस लाइन इज ओके? यस और नो? Yes. So we agree with this? Why I have written this one now? It will make your question little complicated. ठीक है, ये आ गया. अब आप सोचो अगर आपको रियल लाइफ में ये क्वेश्चन मिला होता तो कितना सारा सॉल्व करना पड़ता. 3 को 5 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई, 2 को 11 टाइम्स, 7 को 11 टाइम्स, 3 को 2 टाइम्स, 2 की पावर 3 टाइम्स, 7 8 टाइम्स, फिर उसको डिवाइड भी करना था. अगर हमें लॉ नहीं पता चलते तो अब इसको देखो हम कितने सिंपल तरीके से सॉल्व करेंगे. अब आपको पता है इस क्वेश्चन को अलग अलग सब पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दो. अभी जस्ट हमने जो पढ़ा है उसको अप्लाई करो एंड लुक एट हियर दिस वन. कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? 3 की पावर 5 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 की पावर 2. 3 to the power 3, because 5 minus 2 will give you here 3. 2 की power 11 minus 3, which will give you 8. And 7 to the power 11 minus 8, what will be the power? 3. Correct. And can you all tell me, in between what sign can I put? In between what sign can I put? Multiplied. Correct. Now this is our answer. This is the correct answer, you know. But remember, अगर क्वेश्चन में आपको बोलता है that you have to write it down the answer in the simplest way. तो अगर simplest way बोला गया है, तब आप क्या करेंगे? इसको पूरा open करेंगे and then multiply करेंगे. इतना बड़ा क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा, don't worry. ठीक है कि आपको खूब सारा मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़े. क्वेश्चंस में पावर कम रहेगी. ठीक है, या तो सॉल्यूशन करने के बाद पावर कम हो जाएगी. नाउ अनदर पार्ट, अगर क्वेश्चन में लिख कर आता है राइट इट डाउन इन एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म, तब आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. यू हैव टू राइट इट डाउन इन दिस फॉर्म ओनली व्हाट वी हैव गॉट इट जस्ट नाउ. नाउ टेल मी स्टूडेंट्स, आई हैव डिस्कस्ड व्हाट two laws which I was going to speak. Is it fine now? Have you understood it?